So you got that business and everything is going well and you got that brand strategy, but you haven't been marketing your business on Facebook and you don't know how to do that. And you definitely don't want to hire a social media manager to spend the extra funds in doing that for you. Well, stay tuned as I give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your Facebook strategy plan using ChatGPT 4. Teaching the community AI tools the latest, unlocking the potential, knowledge at your hand. Together we rise, ain't no limit on demand. Step into the future, join the AI revolution. What's good, everyone? My name is Terrence, and welcome to the Black Learning AI, a YouTube educational channel specifically for the Black community, teaching them how to use the various different AI tools that are out there so that they can implement them into their daily lives, into their workforce, or into their personal business if they have one, or even creating and starting a business. Now, before I get into this tutorial, I do want to apologize for the aesthetics, all right? Currently, it's the holiday season, and I'm at family's house and it's quiet, so I decided to just go ahead and record off my laptop using the FaceTime camera off the laptop. So please disregard the aesthetics. Hey, after the new year, I'll be back home and the aesthetics will go back up to par. All right, now let's go ahead and hop into the tutorial. Now, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. All right, the first video that we did, we created a business using name licks because we couldn't figure out a name, so we created a name for fitness apparel, a women's yoga fitness apparel line called Black in Yoga. We use name licks to generate the name, which is spelled Namelix. Now, this video is not sponsored, all right, so don't worry about that, all right. And then we went ahead and created a whole brand strategy for the business, all right. So if you haven't done so, go ahead and look at that first video. I'm telling you, you'll get some good information from it, and then you can create, if you haven't done so, create a brand strategy for your business. Or if you don't have a business at all and you want to start one, you can go ahead and just go through the whole video and just follow the instructions, the tutorial, and you'll be good to go. All right, so I already have ChatGPT 4 open. We're using the same chat that I created the brand strategy and the YouTube strategy, the LinkedIn strategy. So those videos are up also, so go ahead and check those tutorials out. The reason why I'm using the same chat is because the brand strategy is already there. It already have all the information that you need to go ahead and create your Facebook content strategy plan and your Facebook posting strategy, and that will tell you what days to post, what to post, all of that good information. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab the prompt for creating the Facebook content strategy plan. All right, pull it out of my Notion, go back here to the chat. I'm going to go ahead, paste it in here, and I'm going to go ahead and read the prompt. All right, I'm going to scroll down all the way to the bottom. All right. Using all the following information above for Black in Yoga's brand strategy, write a detailed Facebook strategy to grow their followers exponentially weekly for the first quarter of the year 2024, which includes January 1st, 2024 to March 31st, 2024. In this Facebook strategy, write what days Black in Yoga should post and what Black in Yoga should post to get awareness on their brand. Please use tubular and highlighted bullet style format. I'm gonna go ahead and send that message off. Now, these prompts that I'm using in each tutorial, especially if I'm in ChatGPT, the prompts will be given to you for free in the description below. Remind you, folks, this information is valuable. It's free. All right. These prompts are not in very great. They're good and they're detailed, but they're not advanced prompting. All right. And we'll get into those tutorials later on. I'm just giving you some simple prompts that you can use to get started. All right. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT already is creating it, so the Facebook strategy plan for Black in Yoga. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and read some of it. Certainly, the Facebook strategy for Black in Yoga will be structured to align with the brand's ethos and objectives, leveraging Facebook's features to maximize reach and engagement. The strategy will cover from January 1st, 2024 to March 31st, 2024, focusing on growing followers and enhancing brand awareness. Now, this is only for the first quarter. All right, here's January. January's topic, the month of January, it'll be brand launch and engagement. Objective for that is to introduce the brand and build initial engagement. Post days will be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Themes and content: Monday, brand story; Wednesday, wellness, wisdom; and Fridays, featured product. Right, that's for the month of January. Now the month of February will be community and culture. Objective: strengthen community ties and highlight cultural relevance. Post days: Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. All right. Themes and content: Tuesdays, you'll post testimonial Tuesdays; Thursday, throwback Thursdays; and Saturdays, Saturday spotlight. Now, mind you, this is a new business, all right? And if you don't have any sales or anything of that nature, you can figure something else on what to post. I would just say stay consistent, all right? That's all you need to do is stay consistent on the social media and just continue to post. Now, if you want to continue on because you don't have any testimonials or throwbacks, which you would post historical or cultural facts related to yoga and African American wellness. I mean, if you don't have the information or you don't necessarily have testimonials, you can just continue to post and just continuously go through posting and stay consistent. All right. March will be engagement and growth. Objective: to increase engagement and expand follower base. And post days will be Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays in March. Mondays, the theme and content will be Motivation Mondays. Share motivational quotes or success stories related to yoga and fitness. Wednesdays will be wellness workshops. Post videos or live sessions focusing on yoga techniques or fitness advice. And Fridays will be Fashion Fridays. Showcase the fashion aspect of the apparel, including styling tips and new arrivals. All right. Cross-quarter strategies. All right. Engagement: promptly respond to comments and messages and encourage user interaction. User-generated content: invite followers to share their yoga experiences or photos in Black and Yoga apparel. Analytics review: regularly analyze engagement metrics to understand audience preferences and adjust content accordingly. Consistent branding: ensure all content is visually aligned with the brand's identity. Cross-promotion: use other social platforms to drive traffic to Facebook. Now, here's the thing. I would say when you start beginning, if you're not doing YouTube content and turning that YouTube content into short form, I would say stick to one social media. Grab the attention and then continue to post continuously, continue to engage on that platform. And then once you get a rhythm and you get an audience, then I would say go ahead and try another platform on top of using Facebook. All right. That's just my notes. For me, I'm only focusing on YouTube and LinkedIn. All right. Those are the only two platforms that I'm going to focus on. All right. So do with the information as you will. It's up to you. All right. But you don't want to spread yourself thin. All right. Additional notes: flexibility. Be ready to adjust the strategy based on real-time feedback and engagement trends. Paid promotion: utilize Facebook ads strategically to reach a broader audience, especially for product launches and special events. Community building: focus on creating a sense of belonging and community among followers, emphasizing shared values and interests. Now, I'm going to touch on paid promotion. Look, folks, if you're a small business or you're just starting out and you don't have the funds, I'm telling you, you don't need paid ads. All right. Don't waste the money to do paid ads. Just stay consistent. Yes, it'll be longer, but once you get that audience and you build true audience and engagement and you build that trust, I'm telling you, the people that are following without the ads and everything else, they'll be true loyal fans of what you're doing and your business. All right. Now, we have the content strategy plan. All right. ChatGPT laid out a good content strategy plan for the first quarter. Now, what are we going to do? Now, it's like, okay, we got this information. I want to know exactly what to post on what days and the topics. All right. So I'm going to go back over to Notion. Now we're going to generate a posting schedule strategy plan. All right. And I'm going to grab the prompt for that. I'm going to go ahead, paste it, and I'm going to go ahead and read it, of course. All right. Using Black and Yoga's Facebook content strategy and their brand strategy above, write out a concise and detailed posting topics and ideas from January 1st, 2024 to March 31st, 2024, which includes at least 3 posts per week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and put it in highlighted bullet format. Be concise on what should be posted on each of those days from January 1st, 2024 to March 31st, 2024. All right. We're going to go ahead and generate that message. ChatGPT is going to do its thing. All right. There's other tools out there like Bard. You can do this on Bard. There's a plethora of AI tools out there, and we're gonna get to those. I specifically did my wife's social media planning, her brand strategy, and everything else after we had to readjust, rebrand her, because we made a mistake as a small business spending unnecessary money on a brand manager that didn't necessarily know exactly what they were doing, didn't know how to bring out the best out of my wife and for the business. And we didn't get a return on investment. I mean, we spent over, I would say, $30,000 with this person, and we did not get not one return on investment. All right. So this ChatGPT will help you alleviate that pain. All right. I am using the Plus ChatGPT Plus plan, which is $20 a month. I mean, just for $20 a month, and you can start right there if you're a new business and pay $20 a month and get the benefits of doing your own brand strategy utilizing these tutorials. All right, so based on the established Facebook content strategy for Black and Yoga, here is a concise and detailed outline of posting topics and ideas for each Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from January 1st, 2024 to March 31st, 2024. January, brand launch and engagement. Remember, that is the theme for January. All right, January 1st, welcome to Black and Yoga, introduction to the brand and its unique position in the market. It tells you exactly what day and what to post. Wednesday, yoga for mental clarity, discussing the benefits of yoga for mental health. January 5th, product spotlight. All right, here's week 2, our story. It just goes on and on all the way. February is community and culture. All right, in March, engagement and growth. March, motivation, yoga and flexibility. So here it is, a good posting strategy plan for Facebook and a content strategy plan for Facebook for your business. Again, Black and Yoga is not a real business. I just continuing off of the brand strategy that we created for Black and Yoga, and it's a brand in a business that doesn't exist. All right, so go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I hope this tutorial helps you and moves you on a trajectory of having a wonderful small business, and I hope that you implement this information. Again, go ahead, subscribe, comment, turn on those notifications, and until the next tutorial, peace.